funny videos. I hope all of you are enjoying time at home with family. Today we are making muffins with the streusel topping. They are known as blueberry and raspberry muffins or Northwood muffins. I hope you like muffins because I do, and I like to have them for dessert or even breakfast. Let's get started with the ingredients. First, I'm going to share the ingredients for the streusel topping. You will need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of finely grated walnuts, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. If you are allergic to nuts, you may skip the walnuts. Let's start making the streusel topping. I have a medium-sized bowl on the stove, and now I'm going to mix all the ingredients until they're crumbly. First, the butter and flour, and start mixing. Add walnuts, lemon juice, and sugar, and keep mixing. This is how the streusel topping should look. I mixed all the ingredients and stopped the gas, and it started to form crumbly. Now we're going to set the streusel topping aside, and we're going to make the muffins. Let's start the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. All done. Here are the ingredients for the muffins. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of unsalted butter melted, 2 large eggs, 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of blueberries, 3/4 cup of raspberries, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1½ teaspoon of baking soda, 2 pinches of salt, some ground cinnamon, and 1 cup of buttermilk. These ingredients will make about 12 muffins. We are first going to whisk all of our dry ingredients in a large bowl. We are going to whisk the all-purpose flour, the granulated sugar, the baking powder, the salt, the baking soda, and some ground cinnamon. Start whisking. In a stand mixer, let's beat the butter and egg. Let's start beating. Now I'm going to mix the buttermilk and the lemon juice. You don't have to add the lemon juice if you don't want to. Now I'm slowly going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. This is how your dough should look after you add all the dry mixture in. Now we're going to fold the berries in. Make sure you fold it and not mix it with an electric mixer so all the juice comes out. I've put butter. Now I'm going to fill each cup 3/4 with the dough we made. Now I'm going to put a little of our streusel topping on each of the cupcakes. These are going to taste so good. These look so good and delicious, but just one more step to go. Baking them. Ask a parent to put them in the oven and poke a toothpick before you take them out so you don't have raw muffins. We are going to bake them for about 20 minutes. The blueberry and raspberry muffins are ready. You can share it with family and enjoy it for breakfast or dessert. I can't wait to eat it. It looks so delicious.